Hey guys, this is Brandon. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a cool way to make some extra money working from home, right on your laptop or your cell phone, your smartphone, with the website called volcano.com. This is 100% free. You never have to pay anything. And I'm going to be showing you how to make an additional $50 to $100 extra a month minimum, or more, without paying anything, and simply by just watching movie trailers and just rating movies. You're going to go to volcano.com and you're going to create an account, email address, create a password, create an account. That simple. But I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you guys how this thing works. Now, when you log in, you're going to have to scroll down. First time logging in, you're going to fill out your profile. When you fill out your profile, they're going to ask you for your home address, and they're going to ask you some security questions, just so they'll know which videos, to best send you. I'll just check interested in all, and they'll send you all the videos. When you go to explore on the left-hand side, they're going to show you all the movie trailers. You can watch TV shows like trailers, web, movies, what's coming soon. I just go to all. And I'm going to just scroll down a little bit. Okay, where it says flow earned 0, that means that I have not watched this trailer yet for the movie. So I'm going to, click on it and I'm going to watch it. Where it says flow earned 550, that means I have clicked on the video and I have watched the trailer. For each video you watch and review, you'll get 275 what they call flow. Okay? 1,000 flow equals $1. So let's do some math here. And before we do that, you have to have 5,000 flow in order to cash out to PayPal. I'm sorry, not PayPal. The only payout this company does is by Amazon gift card. So when you reach 5,000 flow, you're eligible for a $5 Amazon gift card. But what I do, I simply go to Amazon. I wait till my flow reaches 20,000, then I cash out. I get the $20 Visa Amazon gift card. That way I'll have cash and not an Amazon gift card, and I can, use it however way I want. You don't have to do that. You can just cash out a $5 Amazon gift card if you like, and that's fine. So I just clicked on a video. And my computer's a little slow today, guys. But I didn't play it. I'm sorry. When you play the video, you're just going to rate it whether it's hot, which means you like it, or if you don't like it. You're going to click on hot if you like it, or not if you don't. And you're going to wait until the video reaches the end, and then they're going to tell you to write about a sentence about it, just saying what you liked about it. And that's it. You're going to earn 275 flow per video. They also have surveys on this site where you can make flow as well. So not just watching videos, but you can earn some flow. I completed all the surveys I had, but you can earn flow for completing surveys as well. My collection, that's just like the trailers you like the best. But Explore is where you're going to go to watch all the videos. And like I said, guys, you get paid 275 flow per trailer that you watch. And each trailer, is different timing. It's no more than 3 minutes, though. They're really short. Most of them are way shorter than that. But, the longest one I think I've seen was like 3 minutes. But 275 flow per video. You can cash out once you reach 5,000 flow. So I'm going to do 5,000 divided by 275, and that's 18. So when you watch 18 videos, which once you first sign up, you'll have all those videos plus more right away. I think once I joined, it took me an hour to reach 25,000. So I made $25, the first hour I joined this site. And they'll send you new trailers to watch every day. And it's a pretty cool site. Like I said, it's free. You have nothing to lose. Getting paid to watch videos and, take surveys. And this is some of the surveys I took. You see, they paid me 100 flow for these surveys I took. 1,000 flow equals $1. And this is pretty much it, guys. I'll show you what the store looks like. This is the store. See, 5,000 flow, $5. 20,000 flow, $20, and all the way up to 100. And like I said, they only pay out through Amazon gift card. But whether you cash out $5, $20, $50, or $100, you can redeem that for Amazon Visa gift card and get the cash so you can spend it however way you want instead of just getting an Amazon gift card. Don't be, discouraged only because they pay out through Amazon, because, there's a way around it. I just redeem my gift card for a Visa card. So again, this site is called Volcano. I'll put it in the description box. 100% free to join. Extra way to make 50 to 100 bucks a month. Like I say, you won't get rich, but extra free money. Who wouldn't take it? Stay tuned, guys. If you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. To share it with other people. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so you can be alerted each time that I come out with new videos. I'm going to be coming out with videos pretty often on how you can make additional income from home, simply just from your smartphone and your computer. Again, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.